Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name's Lizzie, and today I'm going to be taking you on an empty house tour of my very first house. I purchased this house when I was 20 years old, so it's very special to me, and I just wanted to basically do this tour for my memories. I'm going to be posting pictures of what it looked like before we remodeled it, and some pictures of it kind of decorated, just for my memories, I guess. I don't know if you guys really care about that, but the majority of this house tour is going to be an empty house tour. The only thing that's really left in the house is stuff that we're leaving for the new buyer. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, so we're gonna start this tour off in the kitchen, and I'll show you guys in a second what it looked like when we moved in. It had old cabinets that were original, and it didn't have stainless steel appliances, so we replaced those with the stainless steel, did granite countertops, new cabinets, new flooring, pretty much new everything. And you can kind of see on the left side of the screen that we installed the pantry cabinets. I'll give a better view of those in a second, but we completely remodeled this ourselves, and it took probably about 6 months total because we were doing it ourselves. I love how it turned out, and I'm going to leave all of the colors of the walls, the cabinets, and pretty much everything in the description box. But if you have any questions, just leave a comment below and I'll try to get back to you guys. So right after you leave the kitchen, you hit the living room, and all we did in this room for updates was paint and a new ceiling fan. Alright, and in the corner of the living room, we did have a small storage closet, and all we kept in here were games, blankets, and then a few things for my dogs. And here is the before shot of the living room with the yellow walls and the old ceiling fan. And even though this is an empty house tour, I decided to include a couple of photos of the rooms decorated. So here's a decorated photo of the living room. And here is my husband's office. Here's the before. And you can see all we really did in here was install a ceiling fan and paint the room blue and got new curtains. But the floors were drying since we just had the carpet shampooed, and I wasn't able to get a good shot for you guys. Here is my office. And like I said, all the rooms were pretty much that yellow color before. And here we redid the floors and the trim, installed a new vent and ceiling fan. Here is a shot of the room decorated. I had an egg chair in here, and I will be bringing that to our next house. Also, if you're interested, I have a cleaning video of me cleaning my office, so I'll link that up in the eye above and in the description box. The next room that I'm going to take you guys in is the bathroom, and all I did in here was replace the mirror and paint the walls. And here's the after. So this is a 1-bathroom house, so this was a pretty small bathroom just for it being, you know, the only bathroom that was in the house, but my husband and I made it work. And next I'll show you this storage closet that we had to keep our towels and toiletries in. It was also pretty small, but we made it work. The next room I'm going to show you guys is the master. Here's the before of that. Alright, and here is the after of the room empty and the after of the room decorated. In the laundry, we really didn't make any updates in the actual room. We left the wall color and the cabinets there, but we did change out the doors. You can see the ones with the little slats there, and as you come up the hallway, we just changed them out with regular doors. And here is a shot of the backyard. We had a shed, and then there's my hammock. We ended up taking our swing with us, but we're gonna leave the new owner our hammock, so I hope he enjoys that. And I just love this backyard. It was so nice and spacious for my dogs to play. So many good memories out here, and I hope you guys enjoy this house tour. Here's a shot of the front of the house. And if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.